Magandang araw mga bata. Ako ulit ito, si Sir Christian, ang inyong teacher sa Science 9. Today we are going to learn the properties and uses of common organic compounds. Our competency for this lesson is to explain how the structure of the carbon atom affects the type of bonds it forms. Specifically, we will be dealing with the first lesson of the Module 4 in this second quarter. So let's start. The properties of common organic compounds are as follows. We have the phase, the odor, flammability, the viscosity, and the volatility. Let us begin with the first property. That is phase. So it is the state of the materials, namely solid, liquid, and gas. I'm sure by now that you are already familiar with these three states of matter. But are you aware that there are other phases or states of matter? Yes, we have the plasma. It is actually similar to gas, but it only behaves differently. Examples of plasma are the aurora, the northern or southern lights. We also have the lightning, the plasma ball, the nuclear fireball, the neon sign, and the welding arc. The next phase is also referred to as the fifth state of matter. We have the BEC or the Bose-Einstein condensate. This state of matter is formed when particles called bosons are cooled to near absolute zero. Next property is the odor. It refers to the smell of the compound. In this illustration, we can see that the strength ranges from none to mild to distinct to strong up to very strong. But later on, we will only use weak or strong to describe the odor of our compound. Third property is the flammability. It is the measure of how easily material burns, and it is usually represented by this logo. But sometimes, they also use these two types of logo to indicate that a material is flammable. At saan siya madalas nakikita? Sa mga tangke ng gas o mga sasakyan na nagkakarga ng mga madaling masunog na mga bagay. Fourth property is a measure of a liquid's resistance to flow, and it is called viscosity. Makikita natin dito na yung isa ay mas malapot at mas mahirap mag-flow kaysa yung isa. Others are also measuring the time it takes for a liquid to flow, for them to determine which is more and less viscous. We are down with our last property, which is the volatility. So it is the measure of the tendency of a compound to evaporate or turn into gaseous state. Dito naman masasabi nating volatile ang isang bagay kapag madali lang itong mag-evaporate, of course from liquid to gas. That's the end of this topic. Once again, I am Christian Odukusin, your Science 9 teacher. Goodbye and have a nice day.